together. Thought she would have came back when the song dreadfully wrong, but it seems to me she was already gone. It's so painful. I'm still feeling pain. I'm still feeling pain. I'm still feeling pain. I was confused and drinking booze because I was used by the one I love. I love I can't live without. Every time I think about fun times, I'm still feeling pain. I'm still feeling pain. Still feeling pain in my heart. See, my heart is like a padlock and she has the key. If she never open it up, don't know when I'll be free from this feeling. I'm still feeling pain. I'm still feeling pain. I'm still feeling pain. I'm still feeling pain in my heart. Oh.
If I ever buy you that diamond ring, would our love be just the same? Or would we both be going insane? Oh baby, I'm still feeling pain. If you ever have a change of mind, relationship ain't doing fine. Wonder if you'll just get up and leave. Oh, oh, baby, please. Should you stay or should you go? What's your feelings? I don't know. My heart can't take no more. Girl, I want your body, mind and soul. Should I stay or should I go? My feelings so out of control. My mind is about to explode. I don't know.
I'm still feeling pain. I'm still feeling pain. I'm still feeling pain in my heart. Oh, oh. I'm still feeling pain. I'm still feeling pain. I'm still feeling pain in my heart. Oh, oh. Girl, won't you just come back to me? Help me up and set me free, oh girl. 'Cause I'm still feeling pain. I'm still feeling pain. No matter what, I can't pretend. Hope we will fall again sometime. If ever you come back to me, I'll fulfill your fantasy. I'm not lying. But now I'm still feeling pain. So much pain. I'm still feeling pain.